Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am here back with another video. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine in your life, and even I am doing great in my life as well. So today we are gonna discuss one more interesting topic, guys. So don't skip the video. Do watch from the beginning till end so that you guys understand what this video is all about, right? And one more request from my side, you guys are not subscribing our channel, please hit a subscribe button and give a like button because it motivates me to bring such a beautiful content in front of you guys. Okay, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. In today's video I'm gonna discuss and I'm gonna give you 3 tips if you are the person who wants to improve your English when you are alone. So just if you follow these tips, if you follow these 3 tips when you are alone, you are definitely going to speak English fluently one fine day. But you need to stick with consistency while you are doing and while you are following these 3 techniques, whatever you assume, whether it techniques or tips, right? So let's one, which is use YouTube. See, here I am telling you guys, you have to use YouTube wisely because here our goal and here our motto is to speak in English fluently, right? So I am telling you guys, when you are alone, you have to use YouTube because when you are alone, so there is nobody around you to disturb you. There is nobody around you to make fun of you, to demotivate you, everything. So whichever is stopping you to speak in English, so it can't possible, right? Because you are alone. So that is why I am trying to tell you here, use YouTube wisely. So you may ask me question that, so how can we use YouTube wisely? So it is your goal to speak in English, so that you have to search, so how to improve communication skills in English, so that you will find many number of videos, right? So whatever the video is very useful for you, just try to listen to that in every single day, try to follow every single day. And if you want to develop, if you want to speak good English, so you have to listen to stories, guys. You have to listen to stories, guys, because listening to stories helped my English. So based on my experience, I am telling you guys, because when I was alone at the time of when I was alone, so when I was a beginner, I used to listen to a lot of stories in YouTube itself. So that is why I'm telling you guys, you have to use YouTube wisely. So no matter what kind of content you are going to watch, but you need to pay attention while you are listening to 100%. And you are alone, so you are spending wisely your time. You are separately investing your time for improving your communication skills, right? So even that time, if you kill your time, it won't get back. So that is why I'm telling you guys, just use YouTube wisely. So if you have a thriving desire, if you have a burning desire in you, just use whatever the information I have given in this video regarding YouTube, right? So this is tip number 1. And talking about tip number 2 is, you need to have a book. See, exactly, you have heard me right, guys. So you need to have a book. Why I'm asking you have a book while you are alone means, see, while you are watching any content in English, so you need to watch with subtitles if you are a beginner, so that you will come to know what kind of sentences is being framed, what kind of sentences are using, what kind of vocabulary is using. So everything slowly you will come to know, right? So why I'm asking you to have a book while you are alone means, see, it's time to watch. See, if it is your time to watch something in English, so if you come across any new word, you need to write, you need to actually pen down, guys. You need to actually pen down so that it remembers forever. So if you listen, and if you don't have any book, and if you simply keep on listening something or the other in English, so how many days are you going to remember that vocabulary or sentences? No, it won't possible. If you are done listening, or once you are done watching something in English, you are going to forget that. So that is why you need to actually have a book while you are listening to something in English, or while you are watching something in English, because when you come across any new words, any new phrases, whatever it could be, vocabulary, so whatever the things you don't know, if you are coming across that, so you need to actually pen down, guys. And after, you need to recite again. So you need to recite yourself. For example, if you are listening to a story, so while you are listening to a story, you will come across many new phrases which actually we use in our daily life. So you need to actually pen down such kind of words, sentences and phrases. And after watching that content, you need to listen, you need to try to implement in your daily life. So you need to implement, right? Then only it remembers you, and you will be developing slowly, and you will be developing gradually, right? So this is tip number 2. Talking about tip number 3, do things you enjoy. So here why I am saying do things you enjoy means, see, everybody, not only me, but also you guys. So if we love something, so we continuously strive to do that, we continuously want to do that, right? So we want to spend maximum amount of time on that, right? So that is why I'm asking you to do, that is why I'm asking do things you enjoy. So just write something. For example, if you are the person who is fond of eating biryani, right? Just assume yourself, guys, just I'm giving example here. You are the person who feels like eating biryani, you are the person who is the lover of biryani. Just write it down in a book. So what kind of sentences you have to describe? So what if you want to describe biryani, what kind of sentences you have to use, what kind of sentences, what kind of vocabulary you have to use, everything you have to explore in English, right? So if you want to explore the favorite things which you are liking the most, so you need to express it in English. So you need to spend your time wisely. So that's why I'm asking, do things which you enjoy and write it down actually in a book, right? So that it improves your thinking power in English, and it develops the curiosity to think in English, guys. So this is the only one of the reasons why I'm telling you and why I'm advising you guys, please try to do this every single day before going to bed. So whatever the things you enjoy, just take a book and pen it down, guys. Please try to listen to me, pen it down. Definitely it is going to help you, guys. So for example, if you are the person who are very fond of watching cartoons, so you have some favorites in that cartoon, right? So just describe about them. For example, if you are the person who watches Doraemon, if you are the person who watches Tom and Jerry, just describe about Tom and Jerry, how they fight each other always, everything. So whatever you see, just write it down, so that it improves your thinking power. It develops actually your curiosity, guys. So that is why I'm trying to tell you whatever the things I do every single day in my life. So based on my experience, I'm telling you guys to use wisely YouTube and listen to something in English and actually write something in English, and also you need to listen to in English, guys. So these are the things which I wanted to tell you in this video. So this is all about in today's video. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys, please do like, if you guys really like my video, please give it a like, share and subscribe, guys, because if you give a small like, it can reach to many people. So it is only my request. So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys keep learning, keep exposing more to in English. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you very soon with my next video.